All right, let's dive right in. If you're anything like me, you're seeing AI everywhere, and you're probably wondering, okay, but what does this actually mean for my job? Well, you've come to the right place, because honestly, most of the headlines, they're missing the real story. Today, we're going to break down how to actually navigate this new AI era, where, let's be real, the only choice is to adapt or get left behind.
So, before we go any further, let's get one thing straight. This quote really nails it. Everybody's so focused on the fear, right? Panicking about what AI is going to take away. But the real story, the one that's way more interesting, is about what it's going to create. Think about that for a second. It's a force of creation, not just destruction. And once you get that, well, it changes your whole perspective on the future of work.
And that brings us to the big question, really, the one that's facing every single one of us. This isn't some storm you can just hide from and wait for it to pass. No way. It's more like a massive tide coming in, and you've got to learn how to surf it. So the question isn't if AI is going to change your job. It is. The real question is, what are you going to do about it?
Okay, first up, the AI job panic. We've got to talk about it, right? We have to understand what the headlines are screaming about, and then what the reality actually is. Let's dig into that elephant in the room.
And look, let's be fair. The fear isn't coming from nowhere. Automation is absolutely already here, and it is replacing certain kinds of tasks. We're talking about the super repetitive stuff, The things that don't really need a lot of human judgment, like mind-numbing data entry, cranking out the same basic report every week, or answering the same 5 customer support questions over and over. Those jobs? Yeah, they're on the front lines for sure.
But here's the thing. This feeling, this tech-fueled anxiety, we have been here before. It's a really familiar story. And honestly, history gives us a pretty good roadmap for not panicking this time around. Just think about the internet, right? Back in 1995, when it was just going mainstream, people were saying the exact same thing. It's going to destroy all the jobs. Fast forward 10 years to 2005, and suddenly we have jobs like social media manager. Who saw that coming? Then by 2015, the whole app economy just explodes, creating tons of new developer roles. And today, we have this massive, essential industry called cybersecurity that literally wouldn't exist without the web. See the pattern? Technology doesn't just kill jobs. It completely transforms the whole landscape. And that exact pattern is what's happening right now with AI. So let's call it what it is. It's not a job apocalypse. It's the great job shift. The trick is to stop staring at the jobs that are fading away and start looking for where all the new opportunities are popping up. Okay, so here's that shift in a nutshell. On one side, you've got the tasks that are getting automated, the routine data entry, the basic reports. And on the other side, a whole new universe of roles is opening up. We're talking AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI auditors, and ethicists. I mean, these job titles didn't even exist a few years ago. And the common thread here, they all need that human touch, that strategy, that judgment, that sense of ethics that an AI just doesn't have. So let's break one of these down. What in the world is a prompt engineer? Honestly, it's a cool job. Think of them like a super skilled detective or a master communicator for AI. They're the ones who know exactly how to craft the perfect questions, the prompts, to get the most accurate, high-quality answers out of an AI model. It's a real art. It's part strategy, part language wizardry, all about turning a human idea into an instruction a machine can understand perfectly. And then there's this role, which is maybe one of the most important new jobs out there, the AI safety and ethics specialist. I mean, this is about as human-centric as it gets. These are the people who are basically the guardians of AI. Their whole job is to make sure these incredibly powerful systems are built and used in ways that are safe, fair, and, don't go off the rails. They're like the conscience for the code, trying to stop problems before they even start. And the list just goes on and on. You've got AI data curators, AI trainers, but notice what else is happening here. It's not just brand new jobs. You're seeing these AI-integrated or AI-powered versions of jobs we already know, like marketers, designers, and analysts. And that's maybe the biggest takeaway. AI isn't just creating jobs out of thin air. It's also upgrading existing jobs. It's creating like a pro level for pretty much every field for the people who know how to use these tools. Okay, so we've seen the shift. We've seen some of the new roles popping up. The big question in your mind right now is probably, so what am I supposed to do now?
Perfect. Let's talk about your future-proof toolkit. These are the skills that are going to keep you relevant. All right, here are 4 concrete things you can focus on to make yourself AI-proof. Number 1, AI tool mastery. And I mean really master them. Don't just read about ChatGPT or Midjourney. Get in there and play with them. Get your hands dirty. This is the new price of admission. Number 2, data literacy. You don't have to become a full-blown data scientist, but you do need to understand the basics of how AI works with data so you can spot when something's off. Number 3, critical thinking. This one's huge. AI can spit out an answer in a second, but it has no idea if that answer is actually smart or strategic. That judgment, that's all you. And finally, number 4, creativity. This is our superpower, right? Coming up with the truly new ideas, the things AI can only remix or copy, that's where we'll always have the edge.
So when you boil it all down, it really comes to this. It's all about a mindset shift. You can look at AI as a threat, or you can see it for what it really is, a tool. And it just might be the most powerful tool we've ever been given.
And hey, this isn't just some feel-good theory. The proof is in the pudding. People are already doing this. Get this. There are freelancers out there who've started using AI in their daily work, and some of them have literally doubled their income. Doubled. How? It's simple. They let the AI handle all the boring, repetitive grunt work. That frees them up to spend all their brain power on the stuff that really matters. Strategy, creative ideas, building relationships. They're not just getting by, they're absolutely crushing it.
So that's the bottom line. That's the one thing to take away from all this. AI is a tool. It's not a threat. It's the new spreadsheet. It's the new internet. The challenge isn't to fight it. The massive opportunity is to build with it. Your job, your real job, is to become the one who knows how to wield it. Look, the AI era isn't coming. It's already here. The tools are on your desktop. The opportunities are popping up every single day. The debate about if we should engage with it is over. The only thing left to figure out is how. So I'll leave you with this question, the one only you can answer. How are you going to use it?